Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter number 5, Democratic Republic of the Congo, the land of dense forest. As you can see on your screen, this is the continent of Africa. Now before moving to Africa and its country, I want to have a quick recap so that you can revise that what other continents are and where are we living, and now what we will discuss in this chapter. So you can see on the screen we are having 7 continents and 5 oceans. We are living in the yellow portion, Asia. Asia is the continent in which we are living, and now we will talk about the red portion, that is the African continent. You can understand by looking at Asia that we are going to study African continent in the same way. See, India is surrounded by many countries. You can see China is there, Pakistan, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka. There are so many countries here. But what we are studying, suppose we are studying India. So we will look around India that how many countries are surrounding it, what is the demographic conditions, ocean, sea, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Now, in same way, you got the point that in Asia there are many countries. We live in India. If we want to study India, we will study the neighboring countries also. Now, moving to African continent. See, similar to Asia, there are so many countries in Africa. We are studying one of the countries, that is Democratic Republic of the Congo. I have placed a star on it. You can clearly see that this is the country which we will discuss in this chapter. Prior to DRC, it was called Zaire. It was ruled by Belgium till 1960. In 1960, Democratic Republic of Congo got independence. It got freedom. Its capital is Kinshasa. In this chapter, we will discuss the location of DRC, the climatic condition, religion followed there, languages spoken there, occupation followed by people, the transportation system, and how the life of people is there. Talking about the location, it is situated in the African continent as I showed you the map. It is surrounded by 9 independent countries. For this, I want you to go back to the map. Let me take you back to the map. Here you can see, let me zoom it. Yes, here is your Democratic Republic. Now you can see it is surrounded by many countries. In the north, starting from the north, you can see it is surrounded by Central African Republic and South Sudan, the purple color country, and the brown one. In the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania. In the east, you can clearly see these countries, and in the south, Zambia and Angola. The pink one is the Zambia country and Angola is the yellow one. The Republic of Congo lies in the west. To the west you can see Congo in the light pink shade. So these are the 9 countries which are surrounding the Democratic Republic of Congo. It also forms a 160-kilometer coastline. Here is the Atlantic Ocean, everyone. On the screen you can see to the west of African continent there is the Atlantic Ocean, and DRC the Democratic Republic of Congo forms a 160-kilometer long coastline with Atlantic Ocean in the west. It is 11th largest country of the world in terms of area and second largest country of African continent. Talking about land features, it is located in the heart of Congo River Basin. River basin is what a vast means big low-lying area surrounded by mountains and plateaus. The range which is situated in this country is the Wenzori Mountains, which is in the northeast direction. One of the highest peak situated is Mount Margarita. It is 5,119-meter high. Rivers which flow in this country. Two important rivers are there. First is Nile. It is the largest river in Africa. Don't get confused. Congo is the second largest river in Africa. Congo is also known as Highway of Central Africa. Why it is so? Because this area is densely populated because of the forest. Not by humans, it is populated, it is having a lot of trees and forest. Land transportation is not possible here. Only waterways or means of transport which is suitable in this area is waterways. So the role of river is very important in such areas. So Congo is also known as the highway of Central Africa. There are many lakes which are situated in this country. You can see clearly on the image Lake Albert, Lake Edward, Lake Kivu, Lake Malawi, Lake Victoria. Talking about waterfalls, there are many waterfalls. Three of them is discussed in your book. One is the Livingstone Fall, another is Boyoma, another is Lofoi Fall. When we talk about climate, in the equatorial region the climate is hot and humid because the sunlight is falling directly on that area. The sun rays are vertical, they are not slanting, they are vertical. When equator passes through DRC, it divides it into two equal halves. One third lies to the north of the equator and two-thirds lies to the south of equator. In the morning, the climate is hot and humid, and as the sun rises, the temperature rises. But by the afternoon, dark clouds are seen there, and every evening it rains. It rains 200 centimeter per year. It's a lot of rain. Talking about lifestyle of people, what religion they follow, I have made a whole table. It's clear to understand from looking at this table only that 90% of people follow Christianity and rest of them means 10% follow Islamic religion. French is the official language of the country. When we talk about main occupations, agriculture is main occupation because of densely forest area. They follow burning practices, slash and burning, which is called jhuming cultivation in India. Major food crops are the cassava, rice and maize. Here you will see a new term, cash crops. Cash crops are the commercial crops by which you gain some money. They are coffee, cocoa, rubber, tobacco and oil palm. Talking about transportation, it is a dense forest area, so land transportation is not good. Water transportation is main means of transportation. There are two tribes. Two tribes are living there. One is the Bantu and another is Pygmies. Bantu tribe is the largest tribe. The people are tall and have curly hairs. They are fond of music and dance. They wear colorful dresses and follow a traditional lifestyle. They live in villages which are located along river or near mines so that they can work also. Another tribe lives in deep forest. They live in Ituri forest which is in the northeast direction of the country. They are short in height. They also have a primitive lifestyle. They keep on moving from one place to another in search of food. Now, having a quick revision, let's discuss the following exercise. Earlier, DRC was called Zaire. It's true. DRC is the seventh largest country in the world? No, it's false. It is the 11th largest country in the world. The Republic of Congo lies to the west of DRC. It's true. River Nile is called Highway of Central Africa. It's a false. River Congo is called the Highway of Central Africa. One third of DRC lies to the south of equator. Again, it's false. The answer is two third. Hope this concept is clear.